The International Trail Summit brings together trail and greenway managers, planners, and users, and the Bedford team was there with bridge solutions that meet a variety of trail needs.
Today we're presenting our bridge line of products to different trail builders, forest services, HOAs, things like that. We can accommodate pedestrian, equestrian, bike traffic, and design accordingly so that we meet all the safety requirements.
Because Bedford bridges are made with fiberglass-reinforced polymer, or FRP, they have many advantages over other building materials.
One of the main advantages of using the FRP or the composite pedestrian bridges, the material is very lightweight. What that means is it's easily transportable to the site, and it's easily moved into remote areas, and it's also easy to assemble in remote sites because of the lightweight FRP material that we use. We have a pedestrian style and we have a heavier duty style that can handle up to a 10,000 pound load, meaning if you have to run a light ambulance across or a safety vehicle across, we can handle that as well.
The fiberglass is going to have a very long lifespan as compared to wood. Another thing that a lot of Forest Service and different nonprofit organizations are interested in today's world is no leaching of any kind of chemicals or products into the forest itself, into the stream beds. So the FRP material really serves a great purpose there.
To learn more about Bedford Bridge Solutions, visit bedfordreinforced.com.